Tight. She lives on the 20th floor uptown. The elevator's broken down, so I walk 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 5, 4. Up on the 12th, I'm stopped the track. 54, I'm ready to say. Get to the top, I'm too tired to ride. She calls me up on the telephone, say, come on over, honey, I'm all alone. I said, baby, you're mighty sweet, but I'm a bed with aching feet. This went on for a couple of days, but I couldn't stay away, so I walked 1, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 5 more. Up on 10, I'm starting the track. Well, 54, I'm ready to sack. Get to the top, I'm too tired to ride. Too much to wait. All this climbing is to get me down. If I'm a corporate trip or else I want 1, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4.